Hello guys, once again welcome back to another Android app development tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a dialog with the custom layout. So we can start with a new Android Studio project. So now the project is created. Now I'm going to place a button inside activity main.xml. When user click the button, we can display the dialog. Change the text of the button into show dialog. Now specify an onClick method. Now implement this method inside the class file. Okay, now here I am going to add some drawable resource to this project. So this is a simple image, simple PNG image. Copy that image. Now place it inside the drawable folder. Okay, so now I'm going to create a separate class file for the dialog. We are going to using dialog fragment for display the dialog. So create a separate class file. I name it as my dialog. And this class must extend dialog fragment. Now for create the dialog, override one method called onCreateDialog. Now we need a separate layout for the dialog. We are going to use a custom layout. Specify the file name into custom dialog layout. Change the root into linear layout. First place an image view. Now specify the image from the drawable folder. Specify a background color. Now place some edit text. It is username. Input type into text email address. Specify hint. It is username. Okay, now copy this edit text. It is password. Change the type into text password. Okay, this is the custom layout for the dialog. Now we can create the dialog. So first create an object of alert dialog builder. New alert dialog builder. Pass the context. Now create an instance of layout inflator. Get activity dot get layout inflator. Now we can specify the custom layout by calling the setView method on the builder object. So call the setView method. Now inflate the layout. So inflator dot inflate. Pass the resource ID. Now specify the container. Pass null for container. Now we can set positive and negative button. Now specify the negative button. And finally, we have to return an object of dialog from this method. So call the create method on the builder object. Okay, now the dialog class is ready. Now we can display the dialog. So go to the main activity. So from this method we can display dialog. So create an object of our dialog class. Now call the show method on the dialog class object. So this needs two parameters. First one is the fragment manager. Second parameter is a tag for the fragment transaction. So now we can test our project. So start some virtual device. So the virtual device is ready. Now run it. Another project available on this virtual device. So here is a dialog with a custom layout.